Have you ever considered taking a DNA test before?
There's a piece of us from our parents, and that piece has traveled like you don't even know where.
There's a lot about my roots that I want to understand, that I want to celebrate.
I told Jonathan, like, hey, I think when we have the baby, we should do one of those tests.
I'm trying to find the path that my ancestors took to get to me.
It would be great to know who we really are, where we're really from, and some of the things that can help us know how to maximize our lives.
There's a million reasons for someone to take a DNA test. It's not always about heritage. We want to be able to know that we're living our best lives.
Doctors don't take the time to run DNA tests to find out what is the origin of every single problem.
The DNA test for CRI Genetics has over 100 reports available that not only goes through your ancestry, but takes you up to date with your current health and wellness as well.
Let's go back in time and look at your results.
Do it.
Let's do it. So it looks like you're mostly German.
Damn!
Wow.
So this really breaks it down to the different regions in Africa. If we play this video, it'll show the path of your maternal DNA.
I'm just like completely mystified by like this whole like bing bing all over the map.
If you want to move on to our traits, I can show you a little bit more about things that you might already know about yourself, but it's a good confirmation for the genetic test. You are one of the lucky ones and you have enhanced reading ability according to your genetics.
I love that, Jane. I love that.
It looks like you have a high likelihood of experiencing allergies. So
It looks like plants are out to murder me. I feel like I should bring this to my doctor appointment.
a lot of our customers do
Oh,
do
really?
that. Yeah,
Okay.
they bring their DNA test to their doctor. That's really the beauty of genetics. Not only are you going to learn about your ancestry, but you're also going to learn about what you can do about your health today and tomorrow.